Hello everyone, I am Uncle T. Today, we are going to make a crescent darts, which is from the movie Moon Knight. I think many people have watched this movie, and it's really cool when he used the crescent darts in the movie. It took me some time because I drew and designed it myself. And I notice many friends do not have the 3D printer, so I made this tutorial method of using foam board. If you make it according to my drawing, it will be very simple and no need 3D printer. It is quite easy, so I think you can make a same one. Let's go. Firstly, we need print out the template. Everyone makes different sizes, and some people make larger sizes. I refer to the size in the movie and it's about this size, smaller than A4 paper. Some lines in the drawing are for reference only. If you don't quite understand them, you can use a pen to draw the dart first, which will make them clearer when you cut. The 2 blank spaces below will be used for later production, and the part above will also be used. We need stick the template on the foam, and I am using the 2mm foam. Then we cut this out, and we need to make 2 because both the front and back sides require it. The foam we are using below is 4mm, and we can use the previously cut one as a template.
I can remember when we walked together, sharing a love I thought would last forever. Moonlight to show the way so we can follow. Waiting inside her eyes was my tomorrow. Then something changed her mind. Her kisses told me I had no.
Trim this part, make it look better.
To hold me every day I wake up, then I start to break up. Lonely as a man without love. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out. Lonely as a man without love. Every day I wake up, then I start to break up, knowing that it's cloudy above. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out. Lonely as a man without love.
Stick 2mm foam and 4mm foam together.
I cannot face this world that's fallen down on me. So if you see my girl, please send her home to me.
We notice some characters on crescent darts.
Tell her
I guess this is ancient Egyptian script. If you have friends who understand it well, please feel free to leave a comment below.
say I can't stop.
Write text on it with a pencil. There are 2 sides in total, so it needs to be written twice.
Every day I wake up, then I start to break up. Lonely as a man without love. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out. Lonely as a man without love.
Next, we need to use puff painting. If you don't have it, you can also use other pigments.
Above.
I used this method because it created a three-dimensional effect when written. This process requires some patience. You can practice on a blank paper first, and then write. Next, we need color the crescent darts. I had chosen the color of metallic copper, but you can also choose silver or your preferred color. It would have metallic luster after coloring. In order to demonstrate different effects to everyone, I have created two styles. There are two methods. One is to apply paint after applying puff paint, and the other is to apply puff paint after applying paint. You can choose the style that you like. After finishing the coloring, I did some aging treatment to make it look like it had been used before. Of course, if you don't like aging, you can ignore this step. I used black color for aging, which gave it some metallic casting texture. After the aging process was completed, it looked more like using metal casting, with the metal wire drawing effect. If you have good suggestions and improvement plans, please feel free to leave a message below for discussion. Your good ideas will make me do better. If you like my channel, welcome to follow, subscribe, share and repost. I am Uncle T. See you next time.